Welcome to Fisher Math. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's solve this problem, logarithm problem. Let's have we have evaluate log square root of 35 base 10 plus log square root of 2 base 10 minus log 7 square root of 7 base 10. Here the law of logarithm says that if it's positive, you multiply. If it is negative, you divide. So here the interpretation of this is log base 10 square root of 35 times square root of 2 divided by the square root of 7, and this is equivalent to log base 10 square root of 35 times 2 divided by the square root of 7. And of course we know that this can also be written as this, the square root of 35 times 2 divided by 7, and this is equivalent to log base 10 square root of 70 divided by 7, and that will give us log 10, because we have it to be 70 divided by 7 will give us 10. Remember that this is also square root, and this is equivalent to 10 raised to power half base 10, and this is equivalent to the rule says that the power will become the coefficient of the log, so we have it to be half log base half log 10 base 10, and the rule also states that log 10 base 10 is 1, log 7 base 7 is 1, log 8 base 8 is 1. So at this point here we say that it's half times 1 because log 10 base 10 is 1. So the answer here is half. So